Kill green. Kill green. Good morning, everybody. Out in a Minnesota wheat field today. I got out scouting last night and was really looking for a spot to hunt on water. We got the first big front blowing in this morning that we've had in about a week, but came across this duck feed that was by far the biggest duck feed I've ever seen in my entire life. I saw them just about the time they started to roll in here, right around 4 o'clock, and I sat on it till 7 o'clock. And I had to have watched close to 20,000 ducks pile in here throughout the afternoon. Pretty much the entire half of this quarter section was just covered in ducks. But was having trouble last night figuring out exactly where we wanted to hunt, where the best cover would be. So I got on Onyx. I was looking at the recent imagery, and you can tell that there's been a water spot out here in front of us about 100 yards. It just dried up, but I think this is where the combine missed a lot of wheat, and this is definitely where they were keyed in on last night. So we set up as close to it as we could. This is the tallest stubble we got around this little patch right here. So trying to pull them just a little bit off the X, but we've already had a bunch of ducks flying and they seem to be liking the setup. Got pretty much the kitchen sink out here this morning too, because the feed was so big. We got 15 dozen silhouettes, 10 dozen geese, or no, 10 dozen ducks, 5 dozen geese. Got 2 dozen goose full bodies, a few windsocks out here, and we're trying this for the first time. These are the Heyday floaters, so I took the weights off of them, and they have these taller keels, so trying to use them as duck full bodies. We got about 1.5 dozen of them out here, and 5 spinners. But we are just a couple minutes after shooting time now, and I'd say we are all pretty jacked up. This definitely has the potential to be the Minnesota duck hunt of a lifetime. So what do you think, boys?
What we got? Oh yeah.
Got Owen, got Ross, little 3-man shoot.
He tried to shoot him with the bow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my lord.
One more pass.
Yep.
Actually? Yeah. It's a crow. Get ready. I can't take mallards. You'll be able to freaking.
Those ones are working nice. Come on.
And I don't see any drake.
If this is a drake, one of y'all kill it. No, it's a hen.
There's a drake. Yeah, drake up top.
Let them work. Let them work.
They're not.
Oh, they flared.
One flare.
You have a downside syndrome kid, and it was a
I'm
chick.
pretty sure this one in the spread is a drake, by the way.
It
Just an ugly one.
It might have been.
I'm pretty sure it was. I'm almost certain.
I think that was a drake.
Probably why it dropped out like it did.
Drake's tend to do that more.
Do you want to take him on this one or what?
Y'all's call. You're more than welcome to.
That can be your duck. I'm not.
Freaking pound this.
It's definitely a drake. I just heard a drake whistle. Shoot it, Ross.
Shoot it off.
What?
Probably banded.
Does not look nice at all.
Mhm.
Almost looks like shoot him. Take him over top. Take that fricker. Here, I'll take him. Oh no. Good on. I was about to try and take a freaking pull on the last one in a row. I like it.
Well, first duck of the morning. Little immature drake there. Ross and Owen want to be picking shoot green heads, but they all eat the same, and I'm never one to turn down a duck over the decoy. That was a little bit of a poke, but I was pretty confident I could hit it. Just had to find my lead, and sure enough, so definitely encouraging what we've seen so far. As long as they keep rolling, I think we are in business here.
Could have just been the same ones, like just circle back around. Like, hey, single right here, single up top.
Oh yeah. Definitely a drake.
I'll take him for you, Ross.
Drake whistle.
He's going back off the chicken.
He'll come in, just get hidden.
Get down. I'll take him, Ross. I'll follow you up.
I'll actually kill him after y'all miss 6 shots. Get ready.
Pintail.
No.
It's not a pintail.
It's a mallard drake. 2 more high on the left here.
Mallard drake. Can I take him?
Wait. All right, kill him there.
Oh, I hit him first, boy.
I said I was gonna take him. Dumbass.
Take this man on one good mallard hunt, and suddenly he's a greenhead purist. Is that what we're looking for, Ross?
Yes, sir.
This guy.
Well, next time, figure out who's gonna shoot so y'all don't double tap
I was
it.
waiting for Owen to try and pull up, so I knew I was gonna pull up before him.
What you got there, Owen? There you go. Starting to get pretty now. Good stuff. That one worked nice. Oh yeah. Get ready. Pintails. Out front, some pintails. If we get them in, shoot pintails. The ones with the long neck.
I see the pennies. Like the single is no.
Just wait. Wait. Oh man. Might need to adjust the spread a little bit. There's a black duck in there.
Actually?
Yep, black duck in the center of that flock.
Really?
Yep. Just wait. There's a black duck. Yeah, I think these ones have been shot at enough when they get that low and get a real good look at the spread.
Where they at?
They get us figured out. I'm sure they are back behind us somewhere. Oh, they're over our right shoulder now. They're not gonna swing in. If they come in that close and then get higher, you almost never get them to come back in. Unless you highball them like that and they like it. If we get them within 30 yards, we're shooting them this time. Get ready. We're gonna shoot pintails over top. Kill them there, over top.
I got that one.
Got 2. That was better than nothing.
I know I got one. I saw Thompson one. I'll take you.
I didn't see any drakes in there. It looked like all pintail hens. We'll see if maybe they're eclipsed. So that one's definitely
Hen.
hen, and then
It's gotta be a drake.
drake. Yeah, that's a drake.
Here, Owen.
You got the drake.
Owen,
I
ready?
got the hen.
There we go. 2 pintails. Not much for ducks flying, but getting a show nonetheless.
Oh my god. Are those geese those small ones though? Those things are freaking cool.
Are those?
Those are snow geese.
Woo!
They're snow
Yeah, they're snows. They're snows. Get ready.
Come.
Definitely snows. Get ready, boys. Get ready.
Wait.
Wait. Kill him there. Get ready, we might call him back around. Coming back.
Boys, they're coming back around.
Take him over top.
Man, I don't know if I could have let him get down any further.
Yeah, you could have just a little bit, but it was fun.
I didn't want him to get too far to the right. Well, we were sitting there watching swans rack up at 150 yards and saw 4 kind of dropping in from a little high, and we're like, oh, those look a little small. Sure enough, 4 snows, 2 adults, 2 juvies. I think we got 1 juvie, 1 adult, so pretty sweet. Need to ring that one again. Still alive. Good stuff, boys. Well, it is 4 o'clock now. We are back out for an afternoon hunt. We gave it till 11 o'clock this morning, but it became apparent by probably 9:30 or 10 that the birds just weren't going to fly. We saw maybe 500 to 1,000 ducks in total, and they were all coming from this direction. Last night, they were all coming from out here. So not sure what that was all about, but we're hoping that they just are on an afternoon feeding pattern and they'll be back in here this evening. Got pretty much the same setup, moved a few decoys around just to try to get them centered up because it did seem like they were trying to slide to this side a little bit this morning. Changing out some Mojo batteries right now. Got our layout blinds brushed in just a little bit better. It felt like some of them were seeing us, so just trying to button everything up. And my buddy Luke here just got into town. Wasn't planning on getting to hunt with him today, but he's came in to hunt the next couple days and was able to make it up in time to jump in this afternoon hunt. The only bummer is we had a little bit of a miscommunication. I was supposed to bring his gun and I didn't realize that. So he doesn't have a gun. Me and him will just be switching out between the camera and my gun, but pretty excited for this one. Fingers crossed these ducks fly this afternoon. More than anything, I want these 3 guys to get to see the show that I saw last night.
Shoot him there, shoot him there. Low one, low one, low one, low one. Oh, I just freaking.
Sorry, I had a greenhead picked out. I watched him from way out.
Did you see that?
I don't know, I think 2.
Don't throw.
I was shooting at this.
I put that one on the
Did y'all kill 2?
No, what happened is one sailed.
Oh my God.
Kind of like he barely hit it, and I just.
That was sweet.
Heck yeah, boy! I was wrong, but
Got there.
it's a nice Drake Mallard. He ain't too shabby. Got a little bit of green on him, but I thought he was a little bit
There
better.
were some nicer ones in there.
I knew this one was. I saw the nice brown chest on him. I thought he was a little bit nicer from a ways out, so I had my eye on him from all the way in. I wasn't looking at any other birds. They are busting it down.
Oh my god.
I think I've decoyed the mallards in this high before.
There's a couple black ducks in there. Yeah. Are we just gonna take the first good crack we get? I think we have to watch the show here, boys.
This might be cooler to watch.
I mean, if we get them all in the decoys, but I think we got to watch here. This is too many to mess up.
If there's a black, I'm shooting it.
If y'all got green, go ahead.
On it?
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, shoot them.
Kill green, kill green. Good shot, Owen. There's a one off the left, green head. It's okay, it's okay. Don't shoot over anybody. Man, that was a lot of birds to mess up.
A lot of birds to mess up.
I just, as tough as this morning was, I got greedy. That's a big boy.
Big Sheila, boy. Well, this one I picked out. Couldn't find any quite nice as him, so I only shot once.
Oh, 3,000 birds tornadoing on top of us.
Once.
And you shot one. What'd y'all get, Matt? Drakes?
All drinks.
Good stuff.
We like that.
Man, that was a lot of birds to shoot into. I'm not sure if that was the right thing to do, but as long as we've been out here today,
There's more coming.
That
There's
was-
another
that was-
100 coming.
yeah.
What's this?
There's a black duck in the middle. 2 black ducks in the middle. See them low in the middle. They're going.
Yep.
Yep. They're high in the middle of the front pack now, guys. 2 black ducks. They're high in the middle of the front pack.
Yeah. I don't see him. Oh, I see one.
Yep, I got him. Right out front. He's the first. He's leading it.
Here he is. Right.
Yep, he's at the back now.
There's 2. Yeah, I see him.
Yep, I got him. He's gonna come in.
Okay.
Yep, here he is.
Get ready.
Oh, another one.
Kill him.
Yeah, I hit that. Oh, wait. That one's sailing out there. I got.
You get him?
Yep.
Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Did y'all kill the other black?
No. No, I just shot. Hey, watch this one down over here. I'm gonna go jump him. That's the one.
Oh yeah. Keep an eye on him. All right, I got a line for you.
Okay, that's the one.
Go run and grab him.
I'm gonna grab this one.
Dude, not another one. Same field, yo. Same field. Oh,
Minnesota
man.
black ducks.
He's a beauty.
There was 2 in there, man.
I saw him, yeah.
I didn't think we could wait any longer.
No, you have to take that.
Did I double on? I must have
You
doubled.
must have doubled.
So I need only 1 more bird. You're shooting again here.
Yeah.
And then they kind of get over here, so maybe that'll be the case.
Got more flocks on the right coming.
Oh, those are yes, they are. Here, Luke, you want to riff on the lesser? It's not.
On the right.
Anybody gets a shot of the black, just take it.
Who gets the black duck?
Was that one right here?
That one?
Yep. Out front, black.
Smoked that, I thought. I shot at the exact.
I don't know. It was close. It was close.
You got the shot cam running, so we'll know.
Yeah.
That one.
I see it. I saw it. I was like, God. I don't know.
Your GoPro's off.
No, I it fell off when I shot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beating up. Ooh, so some.
Ooh, I definitely didn't shoot that one.
Did anybody shoot at anything besides the black duck?
No. Oh my God. What do you got? What do you got for shells in here, Owen?
3 shots.
Okay, perfect. Okay, get down. Get down.
Oh, big tack on the top left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Below him too.
What's up?
There's a low flock.
This big flock's doing it.
See this?
I'm not seeing any blacks yet.
Should hear.
Is that one in the middle or is that just a...
Yep, yeah, I see one. I see one.
It's all you if we get one in.
Hey, Ross,
No
let him
pressure,
shoot it.
Jesus.
I'm gonna try and shoot it too. No, let him.
You've already killed one. Luke hasn't killed one for sure.
Never killed one in my life, bro.
Alright, someone on top of us, a black duck? Well, at least try and get
I'm killing a Drake Mallard over there.
Yeah, I think we should just shoot mallard drake. Let him in. I don't see any good green. Let him go.
I had one.
Yeah.
I had two.
There was one. I think
They're higher though. I'm not seeing any black out of this one.
Yep.
Shoot green.
How many green?
Oh, look it up top from the right, boys.
Yeah, we'll shoot these quick.
Freaking crap.
These come over.
There's some like absolutely freaking.
Oh, is this a black duck?
No.
No.
Look on top of us. Look on top of us, Ross.
Don't look.
Way up there. Oh my god.
Oh my God! What the hell?
Holy cow.
Oh my God!
Woody.
Oh, I should take that one.
Oh, it's a beauty.
There's a woody?
No, there was a beauty.
I heard these ones before I saw them.
Holy cow.
Dude, what the hell?
Do
We need about 10.
Do we want to just watch the show until we get a black duck?
We still got mallards. I say we get our mallards and wait for black ducks.
Oh, are you filming?
Dude, are
Owen?
you kidding me? Like, there's one in there somewhere. Dude, what the heck is going on? Yes, no?
Yep. Kill green.
I think he was green.
I sailed that one. That one that's sailing is mine. Two sailed out.
Two. We got two.
Watch.
You get one, I got one, I think.
I'm pretty sure I shot it. I don't think he's the best greenhead you've ever seen in your life, but he's a drag.
Wait, did
Well, there we go. Two more green heads. I got one, Ross got one, Luke got one. So Luke's got 3 green heads now. Me and Ross both got our limit of mallards. I think Ross needs a couple bonus ducks. I'm completely done. Probably should have waited on those. We had, I don't know, another 2,000-3,000 spinning us. And those ones didn't do it perfect, but I felt like that was probably going to be the last opportunity we got. It feels like today when they get right over the decoys, they're just seeing something that they don't exactly like. And then after that, they want to go land out here in the middle. So we got more birds rolling. Another big bunch out there. I'm going to give my gun to Luke and film. And I think these boys are going to be looking for some black ducks. Seems like there's 1 or 2 in every flock. So just an absolutely incredible evening.
I would be looking for a black duck. There's got to be one in this. I'm not seeing none.
Mm-mm.
See pennies.
You see pennies?
I saw one. Actually,
You're gonna have to really call them out for Ross. That was nothing personal, I'm just saying. I think there might be a black duck high in the back. Let's just watch the show until we for sure get something that we can shoot in the decoys.
oh, black duck.
Black duck high.
Yeah,
Yep, I got it. No, I lost it. I was looking at it.
Be scanning for that black duck. Where are you, Mr. Black Duck? Look at feet, look at feet, look at feet. Where's that black? It's got to be somewhere in here now.
You joking me? You be taking them shots when we get this?
I know.
No.
Pintail in the middle.
Yep.
Is that black duck up high in the middle right in front
I
of
think
us?
I might have it, yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
I think I might see what you're talking about.
I don't know. It might just be a mallard hen.
Yeah, sometimes they're dark.
Where is a black duck?
Make mallard, then let's put it again. These birds are new. These ones are new. Watch for black in this group. I got a black duck, I think, up front.
If you get a crack on it, you shoot it.
he's
Yep,
high.
yep. Middle, right
Yep.
high.
Out of this new group.
There's a black duck in the back. We're not shooting pintails.
Fuck them.
You're gonna have to pick it up again here, Luke.
I lost it.
It should be middle of this pack high. Man, where is it? I can't pick it up.
Nope.
There it is. Middle, high right there. See it?
Nope. Oh, yep.
Can you shoot over top here, Luke?
I can't.
Don't land right behind us. Don't do it. You might be able to pop up out of the back and shoot it. It should be in that little flock right behind us.
Yeah, I see it. You landed.
Holy cow.
I'm gonna shoot 10 ducks if I shoot one.
Be looking for another one. There has to be some new ones in here.
Yeah, keep looking. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life.
I mean, this is
This
crazy.
is so nutty.
I'm telling you, there was 20,000 ducks out here last night.
Crazy. Are you joking?
This is better than shooting. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? Dude, what?
Oh my gosh.
Are you joking me? There's thousands of them. Thousands.
Yeah, I think we have to decide here whether we're just done for the day and we're just going to watch, or if we're going to walk them out and still try to shoot a couple bonus ducks. I don't know if we're going to get an opportunity to walk them out. Well, I think we all just got to watch the best show of our entire lives. I mean, we just had all of 10 or 15,000 dump in. They're all right behind us, all back here. So we there were some black dicks in there were some pintails in there, but way too many to shoot into, so we're just gonna watch it from here on out. Yep.
Dude, are you kidding me? I thought it was over.
Oh, I thought it was
It's just getting started.
Lines.
I just don't know how we're gonna get out of here.
We're gonna have to wait till dark. We're gonna have to wait. This is good enough to wait it out, boys. Like, this could be...
But wait, we thought it was over.
Yeah, I think we've seen a few more than 20,000 now.
Dude, this is the most ducks I've seen in southwest Minnesota all my life.
This is the most ducks I've seen in my entire life.
Dude, what?
Look at the little ones. Like, what are those little things?
More from those.
Sit on? Or are they just that high? They're like just that high. They look small though.
I mean, I could just watch this all day. Wouldn't even need to have a gun. What do you think about this, Owen?
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. This is absolutely insane. 20 to 30K ducks easily. On top of our heads. All at the same time.
I'm glad we got done when we did, because we got to enjoy the majority of the show.
Yeah.
This is insane. You can't put into words how crazy this is.
And just to hear them just... It's like teal when they
Yeah.
buzz you at 15 yards.
Yeah.
It's like... But like, instead of 15 yards over the head and 15 teal, it's a few thousand mallards at freaking 300 yards high. Like,
And they drop down.
I've never heard that before.
And we got one heck of a sunset brewing over there.
Heck
Oh,
yeah.
and more ducks too. What a surprise.
Won't stop coming.
Same.
100 at a time. Oh my.
Geese. I'm gonna retire after this. I'm hanging my decoys up this year. I mean, I can't beat this. I'm
You peaked.
retiring. I don't think
You
you can beat this.
You quite literally peaked while you were still in high school.
Yeah, bro. Honestly.
Oh. I mean.
Well, we just made it back to Ross's, just took a fun little picture and just kind of winding down now. The adrenaline is just starting to wear off. And honestly, I've never felt this way after a hunt before. I mean, this was the duck hunt of a lifetime, for sure, the Minnesota duck hunt of a lifetime. But to see so many birds today, get such an amazing show, it was everything we could have hoped for and way more. So huge thanks to Ross, Owen for letting me and Luke tag along. Had a lot of fun hunting with them so far this season. Just gonna go ahead and wrap this one up by showing you all the birds real quick. We finished with a 4-man mallard limit, all drakes except for one hen. I don't know where she went. one hen that was collateral damage on the black duck I shot, a couple pintails, a couple snow geese, and then of course the 2 black ducks. Got a hen black duck, I believe, Drake black duck, and they're both pure black ducks, no white above the speculum here. Pretty interesting to see so many black ducks up in Minnesota this year. Just awesome to get a chance at them. I thought once I left the East Coast, I was done getting to see them. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about the hunt, leave it in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.